With the LB28 rotary drilling rig, Liebherr has introduced the first representative of a completely new series of pure rotary drilling rigs. With the so-called LB series, Liebherr offers an ideal extension to its existing range of combined piling and drilling rigs of the LRB series and its crawler cranes of the HS series. The conception of the LB series is based on Liebherr's many years of experience with special deep foundation applications and considers even the heaviest demands, which are nowadays made on modern rotary drilling rigs. The consistent consideration of these demands is already evident in the transportation of the machine. Low transport weights and compact dimensions are decisive factors which have been purposefully included in the LB28. Basic machine and leader can be transported in one piece. Thereby, the leader is folded backwards onto the basic machine. This allows for quick and easy transportation of the machine between job sites. In such cases where legal regulations restrict transportation, a quick assembly system for the leader is provided as a special feature. The complete transportation of the machine can be carried out with one low loader and one lorry for the attachments and tools. A practiced team is able to load or unload the machine in less than 2 hours. Quick and economical transportation to the job site is a crucial factor for the machine's cost effectiveness. The LB28 can easily fulfill such requirements, thanks to its compact dimensions of only 3.5 meters transport width, 3.6 meters transport height, and approximately 25 meters transport length. The transport weight amounts to approximately 68 tons. The short setup time on site is another criterion for economy. Liebherr lays the basis to fulfill this requirement through transportation with mounted leader. Thus, 2 trained workers are able to unload the basic machine and erect the leader in no more than 1 hour. The machine's compact dimensions, as well as the precise control system, are a huge advantage on confined job sites and allow for accurate maneuvering in restricted spaces. Thanks to the telescopic undercarriage, the machine offers a larger footprint and thus increased stability. The crawlers are hydraulically extended to a track width of 4.7 meters. If the job site offers enough space, the counterweight can be lifted, positioned and assembled using the leader and lifting devices. On confined job sites, an auxiliary crane alleviates assembly work. The counterweight is unloaded and assembled in 2 parts weighing between 5 and 10 tons each. Guides facilitate assembly and bolting. Assembly of the rotary drive is carried out with the help of the Kelly winch. The rotary drive is lifted and hitched to the universal slide. Then it is secured with 4 pins, only 2 of which have to be manually activated. Quick connections allow for fast and simple hydraulic connection. Just like the rotary drive, the drilling tool, in this case the Kelly bar, is lifted via the Kelly winch and positioned in the rotary drive. After the drilling tool has been assembled, the LB28 is ready for operation and can be positioned for installing the first pile. The machines in the LB series have been designed for Kelly drilling, continuous flight auger drilling, and double rotary drilling applications. The new LB28 rotary drilling rig is designed for drilling diameters of up to 2.5 meters and drilling depths of up to 70 meters. It features a torque of 28 meter-tons. If required, Liebherr rotary drilling rigs can also be equipped with a casing oscillator, which is operated via the machine's onboard hydraulics. No external power pack is required, which leads to significant cost savings. This machine class offers unique technical features, such as the solid leader design with 90 centimeters width and extremely robust kinematics with a large system width. Equally, the largely dimensioned swing connection is a special characteristic. The use of a roller-bearing slewing ring with minimum tilting clearance and two powerful swing drives for transfer of the holding torque offers considerable advantages. Compared to competitors' machines of similar size, the LB28 offers much higher stability and robustness. Another important technical advantage is the rope crowd system with 40 tons pull force. For the operator, this does not only result in higher performance, but also in less wear and thus longer service life and better value retention. On the job site of the German contractor Bilfinger & Berger in Munich, the Kelly drilling method was applied without casing oscillator. Piles with 900 mm diameter and 17 meters length were installed in order to create a drilled pile wall. The Kelly drilling method allows for inserting piles with very large drilling diameters and great lengths. The prerequisite for this application is an extremely robust drilling rig like the Liebherr LB28. For installing a pile, the drill casing is first connected to the casing driver. The connection to the casing driver is carried out quickly and easily by remote control from the operator's cabin. The casing is positioned and drilled a few meters into the soil. For precise alignment during the installation of a drilled pile wall, a drilling template is fabricated beforehand. This eases positioning and aligning of the drill casing. Consequently, drill casing and casing driver are disconnected. The auger is lowered into the casing and drilled into the soil. The filled auger is lifted out of the casing and the excavated material is shaken from the auger through abrupt movements. By repeating this cycle, the soil is drilled out of the casing. The BA280 rotary drive with 28 meter-tons torque guarantees that the machine's excellent performance is ideally converted into high productivity. The rotary drive features a two-stage gear drive. Thus, it is possible to flexibly react to changing soil conditions. The drilling speed is steplessly controlled by the operator. The standard Kelly shock absorber with springs and hydraulic dampers relieves the material and reduces noise emission. Exchangeable drive adapters provide compatibility with other Kelly bar dimensions. In order to carry out these working processes quickly, the operator has to be provided with an ergonomic cabin. The spacious Liebherr operator's cabin, with generous all-around glazing, offers an unobstructed view of all important job site areas. All operating elements are clearly and ergonomically arranged, and the high-resolution monitor displays all important information. Like all Liebherr piling and drilling rigs, the new LB28 is also equipped with the proven Litronic control system, which is based on a CANbus system of the latest generation. This control system does not only include programs for the application of the various drilling methods, but also provides information on service requirements and possible defaults in clear text. All relevant data are clearly displayed on the touch screen for the operator. A modem for remote diagnosis, as well as a process data recording system for documentation of the work carried out, are available as a cartridge. On a separate display, the operator can see all important information on the installation of the pile. Among other data, this includes the drilling depth, concrete pressure, and pile cross-section. If the pile diameter is less than required during concreting, this is marked in color. The results can also be downloaded and printed out in clear protocols to proof the quality of the piles. For great drilling depths exceeding the available leader length, the drill casing is installed in sections. The single sections are tightly connected via screw connections. The machine is therefore equipped with a compressed air system for operating an impact wrench. The advantage of achieving great drilling depths with the Kelly drilling method is due to the Kelly bar. The Kelly bar is extended in order to achieve the required depth, and the auger is drilled into the soil. When the auger is full, it is extracted for emptying. Kelly bars are available in various lengths and consist of several sections. The Kelly winch rope of the LB28 is fixed to the inner Kelly. When the Kelly bar is lowered, the outer Kelly stops as it contacts the rotary drive, and the Kelly bar is extended. In order to transfer the crowd forces, the Kelly bars used for the Liebherr LRB and LB series are of the lockable type. The torque is transmitted via cams, which are fixed to the sections. The crowd force can be transmitted downwards through locks, which are integrated in the cams. By turning the bar to the left, the lock is opened again and the Kelly bar can be retracted. The use of a drill casing prevents soft soil from caving in. In compact soil types, the Kelly drilling method can also be applied without drill casing. Once the final depth has been reached and the casing is completely empty, it is filled with concrete. The casing is gradually rotated out of the soil. The final result is a completed concrete pile. Thanks to the tremendous performance of the LB28, the production of one complete pile on the job site took only 1 hour and 30 minutes. Another extraordinary feature is the machine's low diesel consumption. During operation, the 350 kilowatt strong Liebherr diesel engine consumes no more than 30 liters per hour, which is much less than the fuel consumption of comparable competitors' machines. The multitude of proven Liebherr components used play an important part in the operational reliability of all machines in the LB series. Moreover, the close network of international Liebherr service stations ensures excellent availability and short response times in case of a failure or for maintenance work. A high level of mobility, flexibility, and performance leads to extraordinary efficiency. The Liebherr LB28 is a reliable partner, even for the most extreme applications. Liebherr, your partner for special deep foundation work.